Hello everyone, Naya here. If you're new here, welcome to the channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi sis. Today's video I'll be installing this wig from ULAHAIR. So they sent me their U-part Kinky straight wig. Let's go ahead and unbox that. So the wig came in this satin dust bag, and inside it also contains comb, wig cap, as well as instruction on how to care for the hair. So the wig cap is in the size medium, and the wig has 3 clips on each side, 3 attachment combs as well, and 1 adjustable strap. The hair is 22 inches long. The quality of the hair is amazing. It is long, thick, and super full, and also soft as well. So guys, let's go ahead and install this wig. So this is my hair before installation. Since it's a U-part wig, I already sectioned a little bit of the middle part out, and I just put the rest back. So I'll be using my, as you can see, just a little, not too much hair. Okay, so next I'll be using my eco styling gel. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that to slick the rest of my hair, you know, out of the way. So you can do a different style pattern for installation, whichever one works. Okay, I also suggest you wash the hair if you feel the need to. So after prepping my hair, it is finally time to install the wig. So here I'm cutting out the elastic bands that is attached to the unit, and next I put the wig on my hair. Okay, and first thing is to open up the clips, okay, and insert it into the hair and also close it up. Okay, I do the same on the other side. Open up and also insert the clip and close it back up to secure it in place. So after that, this is what you're going to have. So right here, I'm just putting the rest of the hair out of the way, and then I unravel my own hair. Guys, I love that the color of this unit matches that of my natural hair. So I'm just going ahead to comb out my hair. And next, I am using the Cantu Thermal Shield Heat Protectant. Okay, so this is the what I'll be using. So I spray that all over my hair. Make sure I get it in every corner. Okay, make sure I also get it on the ends of my hair. I comb that out. Next, I go in with my dryer brush to blow out and also stretch out my hair a little bit. Since my hair is a bit stretched out, this is the only heat tool I'll be using in its lowest setting. Guys, the unit is kinky straight. Okay, it is not super straight, so my hair doesn't necessarily need to be entirely straight. You can also use your flat iron, but make sure you're using it on a very low heat. So after blowing it out, next I'm going in to section out the middle part. So here I'm just making use of this tail comb to comb out my hair properly. Make sure it blends well with the unit. So as you can see that the color matches perfectly with that of my natural hair color, which is really great. This just blends so seamlessly. You can hardly tell where my hair starts from, okay, considering this hair is 22 inches long. So here I go in with the dryer brush one last time to blend everything seamlessly. So I run it through my roots down to the unit. So this is the final look. This just looks like my actual hair after a blow dry section. So the installation process is super easy and quick, and I wore this hair out a couple of times and I can say it doesn't shed or tangle easily, so which makes it very easy to maintain. So guys, all details concerning this Kinky Straight 22-inch U-part glueless wig by ULAHAIR are in my description box below, so make sure you do check it out, okay? And also use my code NAYA to get $10 off your order and also a free hot comb as well. So guys, this is where I'll be closing today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give this girl a huge thumbs up, okay? Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them on the comment section. As usual, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.